Hi, I'm Tom. It's a beautiful fall day here in southern Maine. As is usual this time of year, there's a lot to get done before the snow comes, and we're never ready for it. We just try to prepare as best as we can. We've got a bunch on the plate today. We're going to go over to my sister's first of all and get some footage of them harvesting corn with the combine. If you haven't already, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we really love comments and thumbs up, share the videos. A lot of you have a lot of different opinions, a lot of different experiences, and I really like to hear all those things that you have to offer. A lot of you have different backgrounds than I do. My background, even though I grew up on a farm, I spent most of my life in the military. And so I'm kind of like, even though I'm a second, third generation farmer here in town, my whole adult life was not farming until I retired from the military. So I'm kind of starting out all over again, because the way that we farmed when I was a kid is not the same way that you farm now. And that old school way, even though there's a lot of nostalgia and it brings back fond memories, that's just not feasible, and so we don't farm like that anymore, and so we have to evolve and use modern methods. So I really appreciate everybody who comments and says things that are helpful to me, and so keep that up, please. But no more talking from me. Let's get in the truck and head over to the cornfield.